This is not gonna go well. You think he's gonna eat it?
Oh, fuck yeah.
You gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Where the hell did Caden go? Caden! Hey! Stay away from the water! Well, he's gonna send it. Oh! That was actually not bad. Decent.
We'll show him up. With yours, take some speed with yours. I bet you can clear it nicely.
Yeah,
Come on,
do it.
man.
Come on. Look at brute force, man. Bring out the force, bro. May the force be with you. Oh, I fucking cleared her. Yeah, that was actually a smooth landing. Do it. Come on.
Do it, man.
Do it. Peer pressure. Everybody says do it. Do it. Come on. You're gonna be YouTube famous, man. You can show all your friends this video.
Sluts.
That's right. He's clearing it.
You just can't put enough power to really send it.
If he fucking lands on the down part though, he's gonna fucking bite it.
That's what I'm scared of. Never. I'm gonna.
Can I do it?
Hey, you do it. You fucking sent it further than him off this one.
Sending things.
Do it. Do it the fucking trike, buddy.
Oh no.
Just rip her.
I think that bump down there in the back bumped the rig.
Come on, Tristan.
Do it.
Put your helmet on.
Yeah. He means business. The helmet's coming out. He must. You must live in the city. No. Hot sauce. Oh shit.
This is gonna be good.
Yeah.
I hope he got the fucking sender.
Oh, he's just gonna eat it, man. Oh fuck. That thing's back heavy, it looks like, eh?
It's very
Nice. It seems like it. He's...
You just take some seeds.
Some authority. He's wide open, fuck.
Into seashells.
Oh, that thing's fucking back heavy, man.
He's just a goose or a skipper.
We need to just come out here more often, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot better.
Fuck, who needs a helmet? What are helmets?
I want to draw that thing really sad.
Do it. See how close we can get without getting hit. Without getting hit, that's the main thing. Oh yeah. One down, the rest up. Fucking guy. Hot south. Can you go any slower? Oh, I missed that one. We got hot sauce way out there, driving like a fucking grandma. First time on a Raptor. All she's got. Just gonna send it. Come on, sauce. Give some juice. Weak. Oh shit! Oh shit's getting silly now, boys. Oh fuck, who do you record? Who do you record? Record the old Ferd? Oh shit. Oh yeah. Shit's coming from every way now. Oh fuck. Here comes the van. Here comes the van.
I want to go in the van.
No.
Oh,
In case Oh shit, here we go. Oh shit. Yeah! Tear her up! Play some bumper cars! Oh, here goes the reverse 180s.
There's all that, but then there's Nick just cruising down. Hey guys, what's up?
Oh shit, this is great.
Jeez.
Did he burn the tranny already?
He's just drinking whiskey while driving the Ford.
Granny might be gone.
That's what I was just thinking, it sounded like it.
He's drinking whiskey from the bottle in the Ford. Send it! There we go.
Oh yeah! Over a rip are you, bud? Oh shit, that's great.
Let me rip this. Come on. What?
Oh shit. This can't go good.
Oh, here comes the Ford.
The Ford's getting parked. Oh! My poor reverse! Oh! My rookie move. Oh, here he goes. He's just sending her, bro. Oh, it's hilarious. Oh, the tranny was like slipping over here, man. I hope they didn't need this grass for anything.
The winter tire is really grip.
Yeah. Where did my bird go? Send it.
If I wheelie this, I don't know how to fucking control it. So.
It's like your first time riding a quad, isn't it?
No.
Like an actual quad, not like a...
Like this, yes. 4x4s I've driven.
Do you edit that shit or not?
No, I just fucking post her straight on there, bud. She's going right on there, man. You sent her.
Adam, how do I
This is private property.
Set, yeah, private property. That road there, that's private property. I swear.
That's a field.
Yeah, that's a field with gravel. It's a gravel field. He's fucking sending her. Fucking, I got 2 videos like 10 minutes long. This is gonna be some good shit. Good shit. Oh fuck, here he comes.
Adam, 3. Remember, I took one? On Nick's phone, I took one.
Oh shit.
Adam, you got 3 videos today.
Yeah.
He needs to
Send her. Send her up the jump, bro.
Send it, 'cause
Hit the jump, bro. Jump that bitch. Fuck the
I
airbags.
don't mind that the tranny went for a second.
Fucking jump that shit. Oh fuck.
please drive this.
Oh shit.
I'll go